My boiler room is looking seriously neglected. Time for a makeover. First, removing the dust and trashes, then patching up those cracks with a cement mixture. Who knew patching up the cracks could be so satisfying? Next, it's time for a fresh coat of skimmer. When it's dry, I'm gonna make them smooth with a sander. Clean up dusts and then finally a lick of the paint to match the corridor. Can't wait to add those attic tiles for the finishing touch. I have purchased 3 pounds vinyl tiles and strategically placed them to achieve the best layout. Starting from the center, I secured each tile. Though the adhesive might not be ideal for concrete, I will consider a stronger adhesive for a more durable installation in the future. The tiles were easy to cut, allowing for a precise fit. With the flooring now complete, I can fully admire the transformed boiler room.